Did you ever wonder what keeps us upright and moving? What's the secret behind our strength and flexibility? The answer lies within us, quite literally. Our skeletal system, an intricate network of bones, serves as the internal framework of our body. It provides us with support, shields our delicate organs, and facilitates movement. But that's not all. Our bones also play a crucial role in our overall well-being. So, the skeletal system is our internal scaffolding, an intricate network of 206 bones. Bones aren't just hard, rigid structures, they're living, breathing organs. The building blocks of bones are a fascinating blend of minerals and organic materials. Let's take a closer look. Minerals like calcium and phosphorus give bones their hardness. These minerals, stored in a crystal form known as hydroxyapatite, make bones strong enough to support our weight and withstand physical stress. But bones aren't just mineral fortresses. They also contain organic materials. One of the most important of these is collagen, a protein that provides a flexible framework for the minerals. Imagine collagen as the scaffolding around which the hard mineral crystals are built. It's this combination of hard minerals and flexible collagen that allows bones to be strong, yet flexible enough to absorb shock without breaking. So, bones are a dynamic mix of minerals and organic materials, constantly rebuilding and reshaping. It's a delicate balancing act, but one that our bodies have perfected over millions of years. While we know our skeleton supports us, it does so much more. Think of it as the body's personal bodyguard, stalwartly protecting our vital organs. Your heart, lungs, and brain, all shielded by the fortress of bones that is your ribcage, skull, and spine. But the skeletal system isn't just standing guard. It's also a mover and shaker, working hand in hand with our muscles to provide the leverage needed for movement. Whether you're running a marathon or simply reaching for a cup of coffee, you have your bones to thank. Beyond being the body's support system and bodyguard, our skeleton is a veritable treasure trove, a storage vault for essential minerals like calcium and phosphorus. These minerals are released into the body as needed, helping keep our bodies functioning smoothly. And let's not forget, our bones are also a bustling factory producing blood cells in the marrow. It seems our skeletal system is a multitasker, crucial for our survival and daily activities. Not all bones are created equal. While they all share the common purpose of providing structure and support to our bodies, bones come in a variety of shapes and sizes, each with its unique role. First up, we have long bones. Think of your arm and leg bones. These aren't just lengthy for the sake of it. Their elongated structure facilitates movement and supports the weight of your body. Also, these are the powerhouses of bone marrow, producing the majority of your body's blood cells. Next, we have short bones. These are as wide as they are long, like the bones in your wrists and ankles. These bones are the champions of stability and support, providing a solid base while allowing for a wide range of movement. Flat bones, on the other hand, are thin and broad. You'll find them protecting vital organs. Your skull, for instance, is a fortress of flat bones, safeguarding your precious brain. These also serve as a site for muscle attachment, offering leverage for movement. Lastly, we have irregular bones, the free spirits of the skeletal system. They don't fit into any other category due to their complex shapes. These include your vertebrae, which form the spinal column, and the facial bones, which give your face its unique structure. So, each type of bone, whether long, short, flat, or irregular, plays a unique role in our body. They work together in harmony, creating the symphony that is human movement, protection, and support. Ever wonder how we can bend, twist, and turn? It's all thanks to our joints. Joints, you see, are the heart and soul of movement, the unsung heroes of the skeletal system. They're the movable connectors that bind our bones together, allowing us to perform a myriad of actions, from the simple act of walking to the most complex gymnastic feats. There are three main types of joints in our bodies: synovial, cartilaginous, and fibrous. Each one of these has a unique structure and function, contributing to the amazing flexibility and mobility of our bodies. First off, we have the synovial joints, the real stars of the show. These are the most common type of joint and are what allow us to perform a wide range of movements. Picture your knee or elbow. That's a synovial joint in action. They're like the hinges on a door, swinging back and forth to enable movement. Next up, we have cartilaginous joints. These joints are slightly less mobile than their synovial counterparts, but they still play a crucial role in our body's flexibility. They're found in places like our spine, where they allow a limited amount of movement and provide a cushion between the bones, absorbing shock and preventing bone damage. Finally, we have the fibrous joints. These are the immovable stalwarts of the joint world. They're found in places where movement isn't necessary or could even be harmful. Think of the joints in your skull. These joints are designed to protect your brain, so it's a good thing they don't budge. So the next time you're dancing, jumping, or simply waving hello, take a moment to appreciate your joints. They're working hard behind the scenes, making all your movements possible. They're the glue that holds your skeletal system together, the facilitators of your body's ballet. Joints, the unsung heroes, allow us to dance, jump, and wave, making life more flexible. Bones aren't static. They're continually growing, changing, and adapting. This is a fact that might surprise you. Our bones aren't just lifeless scaffolding. Instead, they're dynamic, living tissues that are constantly in the process of reconstruction. This process of bone growth and development is known as ossification. It's a fascinating ballet of creation and destruction where new bone is built and old bone is broken down. When we're young, our body makes new bone faster than it breaks down old bone, and our bone mass increases. But when we age, this balance can tip the other way, leading to bone loss. Bone remodeling is another crucial process. It's like a renovation project for your skeleton, where old bone is replaced with new bone tissue. This process helps to repair micro-damage from everyday wear and tear and keeps our bones strong and healthy. But how does all this happen? Well, our body's natural chemicals, known as hormones, play a big role. Growth hormone, produced by our pituitary gland, is like the foreman on the bone-building site, telling cells when to build new bone. Estrogen, a hormone more prevalent in women, helps to keep the bone remodeling process in check, ensuring that bone breakdown doesn't outpace bone formation. So our bones are far more than just a static structure. They're living, growing parts of us that change and adapt throughout our lives. From a baby's soft bones to an adult's sturdy skeleton, bones are always evolving thanks to growth and hormones. Our skeletal system is precious. How can we take care of it? Just as a car needs fuel, oil, and regular tune-ups to run smoothly, our skeletal system needs its own form of maintenance to stay strong and resilient. One of the key ways to keep our bones healthy is through proper nutrition. Consuming a diet rich in calcium and vitamin D is essential. Calcium is the building block of our bones, while vitamin D helps our bodies absorb that calcium. So remember to include calcium-rich foods like dairy products, green leafy vegetables, and fortified foods in your diet, and get enough sunlight for your daily dose of vitamin D. However, nutrition is just one part of the equation. Weight-bearing exercises such as walking, running, and weightlifting can also help strengthen our bones. These activities create pressure on our bones, which stimulates the growth of new bone tissue, making our bones stronger over time. Another crucial aspect of skeletal health is injury prevention. This might mean wearing protective gear when playing sports, or being mindful of our movements to avoid falls and accidents. Unfortunately, despite our best efforts, skeletal disorders can still occur. Conditions like osteoporosis, arthritis, and fractures are common, particularly as we age. But by taking steps to maintain our skeletal health, we can help reduce our risk of these disorders and ensure our skeleton remains strong and healthy for years to come. Just like the rest of our body, our skeletal system needs care and attention to stay strong and healthy. So, what have we learned about our skeletal system today? Quite a lot, haven't we? We've delved into the world of bones, examining their composition of minerals and organic materials. We've discovered the vital roles our skeleton plays, from providing support and protection for our body, to facilitating movement and storing minerals. We've explored the variety of bones, each with their distinct roles, and the intricacies of joints that allow us to move freely. We've also seen the processes of bone growth and development, and the significant role hormones play in these processes. Moreover, we've learned about common skeletal disorders and the importance of maintaining skeletal health through nutrition, exercise, and injury prevention. Looking forward, we'll be delving into another crucial aspect of our body: homeostasis. We'll understand the need for internal balance and the mechanisms that help maintain it. Remember to take care of your skeletal system and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights into the human body. Until next time, keep exploring.